The X-44 Manta features groundbreaking parallax coating technology, providing near-total invisibility against radar and the human eye, significantly enhancing its effectiveness in hostile environments. This advanced bomber employs sophisticated metamaterials that facilitate evasion across various detection frequencies, thereby pushing the limits of modern stealth technology. The psychological effect of confronting an invisible adversary instills chaos and fear among enemies, often leading to mistakes that stealth-equipped forces are primed to exploit. The Manta's hypersonic missiles can reach speeds exceeding 2,850 miles per hour, complicating interception efforts for conventional air defense systems, thus significantly enhancing its offensive capabilities. With precision-guided munitions, the Manta can strike targets accurately while minimizing collateral damage, demonstrating its effectiveness in recent military conflicts and allowing for strategic engagement in urban settings. Additionally, the tailless design of the X-44 greatly reduces radar visibility, potentially decreasing detection ranges by up to 50%, which enhances operational safety in hostile territories. The high-altitude capabilities of the X-44 facilitate effective reconnaissance missions while lowering risks from ground threats, underscoring its strategic advantages and boosting operational effectiveness. As stealth technology evolves, adversaries have developed advanced countermeasures, necessitating innovative military strategies. The X-44's undetectable flight increases tactical options against such threats. Historical events, such as the 1953 coup and the Iranian Revolution, have significantly influenced U.S.-Iran relations, creating persistent tensions that complicate the geopolitical landscape. The emergence of advanced stealth technologies like the X-44 signals a pivotal shift in military deterrence, potentially reshaping power dynamics in the Middle East and prompting Iranian military planners to reassess their strategies. The psychological ramifications of such military advancements may drive Iranian leaders toward either more conciliatory or desperate measures as they confront the prospect of preemptive strikes, potentially altering their political framework. As tensions rise, Iran may bolster its military capabilities in retaliation to U.S. advancements, leading to an arms race that complicates diplomatic relations and increases the risk of misunderstandings and conflicts. The X-44 Manta's tailless design also has implications for commercial aviation, potentially enabling faster and more fuel-efficient aircraft to meet the growing demand for air travel. However, challenges such as noise regulations remain significant obstacles for the viability of supersonic travel over populated areas, necessitating innovative solutions. The Boom Supersonic Overture is expected to launch in the mid-2020s, boasting remarkable speed and sustainability, embodying a significant transition toward environmentally responsible aviation. The X-44's tailless design not only enhances stealth, but also improves aerodynamic efficiency, providing unmatched agility compared to traditional aircraft such as the F-22, thereby redefining air combat strategies. Despite the advanced features of the Su-57 Felon, production delays and concerns regarding its stealth performance may impact its effectiveness in real-world scenarios, particularly in conflicts like Ukraine. Ultimately, the X-44's hypersonic weaponry and precision targeting systems offer distinct advantages over the Su-57, positioning the Manta as a formidable competitor in the pursuit of air dominance in modern warfare.